Hello amazing viewers, welcome to my channel. I remain Chekoma Jesus. Do you know you can make a simple breakfast just in 2 minutes? I said in 2 minutes, yeah. So if you are new to this channel, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel. I remain Chekoma Jesus. This is how I do it. Join me guys. Yeah, you first of all put in your groundnut oil, your onion, and allow to steam for some minutes. Then add your egg. I am using 4 pieces of eggs, okay, depending on the amount of what you want to prepare. If you want to add more eggs, you can. If you want to add just 4 eggs, you can, okay. After adding the egg, you allow it to stay for a little. Then you're gonna mix it a little bit. You allow it to steam, don't turn. Allow it to steam for some minutes, like just 1 minute. Allow it to steam for 1 minute, okay. Let's see as it goes. This will help the egg to come closer to each other and not as we all know, eggs are good for the body, especially for children. It helps in growth development. It gives protein in the body, so it's not advisable for adults to take a lot of eggs, but for children it's perfect, okay. When you allow to steam for some minutes, for just 1 minute, you turn it. As you can see, you turn it, then you add your leaves. I'm using green leaves, green vegetable leaves, but if you like, you can do this. You can add any leaf of your choice, be it pumpkin leaf, okay, depends. But the best, for you to get a best taste, use a green leaf or vegetable, okay. To oversteam a vegetable is not healthy. It won't give you what you want. So I add my cubes, then a little salt, then I turn it and allow to steam for next 1 minute. And the next minute our food is ready. That is to show that you can prepare a very delicious breakfast. You see our food is ready. Can prepare a delicious breakfast in 2 minutes. Use any food of your choice to eat it. You can use rice, you can eat it with bread, you can eat it like that, just the way you want to eat it, okay. Even if you eat it like that, it's very yummy. You eat it with rice, it's very yummy. You eat it with anything. Our breakfast is ready. Yummy. You can see. Please, thank you for watching. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. Love you guys. See you in my next video.